I just finished this drawing with wine charcoal. You know, wine charcoal is very easy to lose and smudge. How will you protect the charcoal drawing? In this short video, I'm going to show you the simple process to protect your charcoal drawing study. There are many different products that you can use to protect your drawing. This one, and there is another one. Whatever brand fixative protective spray that you're going to choose, the very important part is you have to read the label. Make sure it is for your type of artwork. Pastel, charcoal, and pencil. And take a look at this one. On the side over here is a protect pencil, pastel, and chalk drawings. Take a look over here. Pencil, charcoal, Kante, watercolor, Indian ink, crayon. Let's take a look at this one. It's for pencil, charcoal, pastel, chalk, marker, watercolor, tempera. Okay, so basically any of this you can use to protect this drawing. I'm going to use this to show you how I would spray it. The first thing you have to remember, you're not supposed to be spray your drawing indoor. You have to bring it outside because those is considered pretty toxic. Now I'm going to bring this drawing with the fixative and going to my backyard. Now I am in the backyard. I put a board on top of a bucket so I can raise it up away from the dust from the ground. Today is not much wind. If there's a windy day, be a little careful, watch out where the wind coming from. If the wind coming from that direction, I don't want to sit and stand on this side because the wind is going to blow this into your nose and your mouth and your eyes. Will be very bad for you. So if the wind coming this direction, I would stay on this side or stay on this side. Before you start spraying, making sure you shake the can for a couple minutes. Now I'm ready. Keep it like a couple feet away from the drawing, like doing like this. And then wait a little bit, let it dry a little bit. And then you're gonna spray it in different angle. And then wait a little bit and gonna do it one more time. You maybe have your own way to protect your drawings. If you have some, please share with us. If you enjoyed these lessons, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and turn on notification. I will see you in my next lesson.